So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the VidIQ Chrome extension so you can then easily access more features from VidIQ, as well as making your life much easier when it comes to growing a YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to log it into your VidIQ account. Now, if you don't yet have a VidIQ account, then I've left a link in the description below this video where you can sign up for free and access a free trial of VidIQ and test out all the features that it has to offer. Then once you log in, you'll be brought to your dashboard that looks something like this. So from here, you'll come up to the top right corner to your profile icon, click on your profile icon, and you get a menu appears right here. Click on Account Settings, and then from this page, you need to select this option here, Apps and Extras. And now right here where it says browser extension, as you can see, for me, it says already installed. That's of course because I've already got it installed. But since you're watching this video, that's not going to be the case for you. Instead, there's going to be a button here that will say something like install the VidIQ Chrome extension. So you'll click on that button and it will bring you to a page that looks like this. And now this is the page where you can install the correct version of the VidIQ Chrome extension. And then on this page, you'll have a button right here that will say something like install the VidIQ Chrome extension. So you click on that button to install it. And as you can see for me right here, I've got the icon for the VidIQ Chrome extension in my browser right here for quick and easy access. So in order to add this right here, come to the dots icon in your browser and select extensions and then manage extensions. And now this page is going to open up all your Google Chrome extensions. Scroll down and you'll find VidIQ right down here at the bottom. So they're organized in alphabetical order. And you just want to make sure that this is toggled on. So once this is toggled on, then you'll see the icon appearing right here. Now, if you want me to show you step by step how to use all the cool features of the VidIQ Chrome extension to give you an unfair advantage of growing a YouTube channel, then watch this video right here.